Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has categorized Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.59. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of negative 2.61% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.65%. since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently resides in the upper region of a very broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $26.61 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 3.41% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 29.49% and positive 10.15%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 20.27%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 84.98% to positive 44.48% over the ensuing year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $3.75 and $36.09. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline: Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price ended at $24.98 on Thursday, after losing 4.03%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 4.03% on the last day, Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, from $26.03 to $24.98. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.17%. from a day low of $24.70 to a day high of $25.73. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, with a 1.01% gain over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume declined on the last day alongside the stock, which is typically a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $69,330,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 54.32%, or $29.70, below the 52-week high, and 68.53%, or $54.40, below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. In recent developments, Trump Media and Technology Group, which operates Truth Social and the streaming platform Truth.Plus, reported a narrowed loss in the first quarter of 2025, accompanied by a sales gain. This signals a potential turning point for the company as it prepares to expand within the America First economy. With $759 million in cash on hand, Trump Media is positioned to further invest in its diversification efforts, particularly in sectors like fintech and financial services, exemplified by the launch of Truth.Fi. In addition to these positive financial indicators, the company is exploring mergers and acquisitions to bolster its market presence. Such strategic moves could enhance its operational capability and shareholder value, possibly leading to increased investor confidence in the short term. The recent surge in stock price reflects the bullish sentiment, amplified by partnerships and the anticipation of an exchange-traded fund linked to Trump media. However, challenges remain, with scrutiny from regulatory bodies and concerns about potential conflicts of interest raised by politicians. The immediate response in the stock market has been positive, but long-term growth will depend on navigating these regulatory challenges effectively while executing its ambitious expansion plans. As the company continues to evolve, its ability to generate sustained profitability will be critical for maintaining investor interest and stabilizing its stock price over time. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is currently showing a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal coming from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, the overall indication for the stock is a buy, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $25.32. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $22.36. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact the near-term progression. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 5.31%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 17 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 58 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 23 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal from 67 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.03 between its high and low, which translates to 4.17%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 4.67%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let us briefly examine some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profit and could pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.14. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to think about swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group meets its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of $110,000 per share. Again, on that day, Philip Juhan sold 416 shares of common stock with a par value of $110,000 per share. Continuing on the same day, Philip Juhan sold 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of $110,000 per share. Lastly, on that date, Philip Juhan sold 248 shares of common stock with a par value of $110,000 per share. Based on the 68 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 21.959. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in the last 68 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $23.84, representing a decline of 4.56%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 16 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 16th of May, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 15.7 cents and begin trading at $25.14. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.